Rituko ria rero riarenge rituko rinene riokoinyora ebinyinyi byenyamureo ase ababwatani korwa ase sector au baba gusangirekana ase getiye chigosori kya NYANTURAGO GREEN na ko eribine nchire yemo yokoinyora nabo igokorwa bosemya utyase abantu bali ababwate ebinyinyi byenyamureo mugeni wesko ni garengo mugavana we county ya Kisii SIMBA ARATI oyoruo gosegeta gotyasa abantu wesokya na korengwa nabo igokwerenda korwa ase okonyora ebinyinyi ebyo chingakyecho muskarati nigo igo abaga koria gagosera ukwanira igoro yechira cyamagendero ayo barachigoikirania buna aba gosibuna barayibe serikali ye county ya Kisii ase amatukari bosyo
abantu bamenye kinyagitari ma testima nkonyoro teyo lakini twaigwananire na abantu baitu batayito gotokonya tororo sento be kichisola ase kinyagitari echo na inwe mo babaskali bantu bayimuka bachikoyiba chisola na lia abantu bararwali uno haembo tuko mo wanja boyo on environment we are decommissioning Nyamira dam site that has been an ISO to create a beautiful people's park for recreation. In water service we are working tirelessly to position the Gusii water and sanitation company as a prime water service provider in the region. We recently received 250 million for water reticulation in the periphery of the urban areas. For our brothers border sector, we have embarked on a registration of a saving and credit cooperative society tailored for their unclear need. So far, over 2 months ago, I inherited a county with a high wage bill, huge vending bills, and remitted structurally deductions about 300 million.